Oh, our Jackie is running around the village, hunting for a butterfly. Her tail is swinging like a flag. Suddenly, bang! Jackie has dug up a golden compass that shines like the sun. The compass buzzes, and Jackie rushes off on an adventure. She squeals with delight. Here Jackie is in Egypt. The pyramids are like giants, and the sand tickles her paws. Here the cat Seti has lost the key to the treasures of the pharaohs. Jackie sniffs the tracks. Oh, the boulder is rolling. Jackie jumps, saving Seti, a real heroine. And now Australia. Kangaroos are hooting, and Jackie is amazed by their bags on their bellies. Kangaroo Kiko is sad. The ball is lost. Jackie is digging, looking for treasure. Hooray! The ball is found. Jackie and Kiko jump together like on a trampoline. Jackie in India. The market is bustling. Spices smell, and elephants trumpet like an orchestra. At the Rio Carnival, Pedro the parrot lost his feathers. Jackie chases after them. The feathers shine. Pedro dances the samba, and Jackie spins with joy. Brr, Antarctica. The ice glitters, the penguins slide, and Jackie trembles. Penguin Pip is afraid of water, but Jackie teaches him to dive like a champion. Jackie is at home, in the village. Her friends hug her because friendship is a treasure. Kids, are you excited about Jackie? Like, subscribe, right where she should rush.